Michael Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. We're at this beautiful pool out here in Mesa, Arizona. And we're now putting in some diamond cobalt tiles for some depth perception on the tiles, folks. A couple things I want to point out. These are going to be random. And one of the things I point out to people is when you look at these tiles, if I stand right here, this tile right here looks pretty even with the nose of this, the tip of this step. But if I stand over here, it looks off. When I stand over here, it could look off also. So what I always try to do is I try to encourage the clients to come on out at the time and point when we're putting these step markers in so they can actually see them and approve of them. But you see the other thing he does is when he uses this trawl right here to smooth the edges in the corners of these steps and benches, it's going to give us approximately 4 to 5 inches, and it's going to put that line, that definitive line. That line is what we use as a benchmark to put the 2 points of tile so that those tiles end up more of a straighter, more evenly look when we do it. The other thing that he's doing over here is he's got his trawl, and he has already used the length of the trawl that he's using right there to evenly space these out so these tiles are all evenly spaced with each other and they look nice and conformed and aligned, and of course they're going to be offset a little. But I wanted to explain this process a little so people can better understand how we install these tiles in the very beginning on the interior finish. Michael Sandoval out here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.